Welcome back to the ancient city of Pompeii. In this video, we explore one of the most fascinating public buildings in the city, the Forum Baths, known in Italian as the Terme del Foro. The Forum Baths are located close to the Forum of Pompeii, which was the political and social centre of the city. Because of this central location, these baths were among the most popular public spaces where citizens could relax, socialize, and maintain personal hygiene. Public baths were an essential part of Roman daily life. In cities across the Roman Empire, bathhouses served not only as places for bathing, but also as social centres where people met friends, discussed politics, and spent their leisure time. The Forum Baths in Pompeii were built around the 1st century BC and are among the best preserved bath complexes in the city. They were designed with separate sections for men and women, which shows the organisation and social customs of Roman society. When visitors entered the baths, they first arrived at the appoditerium, or changing room. Here, bathers would remove their clothes and store them in wall niches before moving to the bathing areas. From the changing room, visitors could proceed to different heated rooms designed for a specific bathing process. One of these rooms was the tepidarium, a warm room that helped prepare the body for the hotter baths. Next was the coldarium, the hot bathroom. This space was heated by an advanced Roman heating system known as the hypocaust. The hypocaust system worked by circulating hot air under the floor and through hollow spaces in the walls, creating a comfortable and warm environment for bathers. After spending time in the hot room, visitors could cool down in the frigidarium, the cold bathroom. This room contained a pool of cold water that refreshed the body and completed the bathing ritual. The architecture of the Forum Baths is impressive. The ceilings were beautifully decorated with stucco designs, and the walls were often painted with colourful frescoes. These decorations created a luxurious atmosphere that made visiting the baths a pleasant experience. Another remarkable feature of the baths is the advanced water supply system. Water was delivered to the baths through aqueducts and stored in tanks before being distributed to the different bathing rooms. This engineering achievement demonstrates the high level of Roman technology and urban planning. The Forum Baths also included latrines, service areas, and spaces where attendants worked to maintain the facilities. Slaves and workers ensured that the baths remained clean, heated, and supplied with water throughout the day. When Mount Vesuvius erupted in 79 AD, Pompeii was buried under layers of ash and volcanic material. Although the eruption destroyed much of the city, it also helped preserve many structures, including the Forum baths. Today, visitors walking through the Terme del Foro can still see the changing rooms, heated floors, and beautifully decorated ceilings that once served the citizens of Pompeii. These ruins offer a unique glimpse into everyday Roman life and the importance of bathing culture in the ancient world. The Forum baths remain one of the most interesting places to visit in Pompeii,